Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What we do know? No good? Well, I hope all is well with all of you, my subscribers and my viewers. And as usual, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate all the comments. Thank you for commenting. And guys, whenever time you are watching my videos and you see an advertisement, watch the advertisement for me, guys. Please do not skip the advertisement. All right, please, I'm asking you to watch those advertisements. All right, that means my video going good, so YouTube dash on them advertisement and it and all of that. So yeah, guys, please do not skip the advertisement. Anyway, let we get down into it now. So today I'm gonna do some okra punch. Yeah, some strong back okra punch. Men all over love this drink, okra punch. Alrighty, so these are some of my ingredients, so let's get right into it. So I have my oats over here. I love to soak my oats, guys. I don't put a lot of water on my oats when I'm soaking it, just a little water just to tenderize it. And I have some okra over here, my nutmeg, vanilla, and I'm gonna use a milk. Alrighty, you can go ahead and use what, if you have a different sweetener or you prefer a different sweetener, you can go ahead and use that. All right, my cinnamon. Okay, so I don't show my cinnamon powder. Oh, I didn't show that out, but yeah, I will walk you through this okra punch strong back drink, so stay with me. All right, anything else I use, I'll definitely show it to you, and I'm going to list this in the description box so that you can go ahead and make your okra punch. So yeah, man, make we get down into it now. All right, guys, so I wash my okra. So what I'm going to do now is just remove the top of the okra, and make sure you're using soft okra that is soft, because if it is tough, what happens, you're gonna have bits and pieces when blending your okra. It's not gonna blend out smooth. And you can go ahead and boil your okra, or you can use it raw. All right, whichever one you prefer, you can do just about that. Alrighty, so I'm just going to just slice up these okra, and I'm going to use a cup of water just to boil, and I'm going to boil for just 7 to 10 minutes. Don't exceed the 10 minutes. All right, you don't want them too soft. So we're just cutting our okra. So I'm adding my okra to a cup of water, and we are just going to cook that for 7 to 10 minutes, as I mentioned before. All right, do not exceed the 10 minutes. All right, now I have just removed my okra from the heat, and I'm just going to pour in to my dish and allow to cool. Alrighty, and guys, you can use frozen okra for this drink. You don't have to defrost your okra. You don't have to thaw out your okra. As soon as the okra is steaming, it will thaw out by itself, so you don't have to thaw it out ahead of time. Yeah, so you can go ahead and use frozen okra. And as I said, guys, you can use your favorite sweetener. You can use dates, you can use coconut nectar, even maple syrup. You can use maple syrup as well, or vegan milk if you are vegan. Right, so we're just going to allow this to cool, and then as soon as it is cool, then we'll get right back into it. Alrighty, okra punch. Alright, guys, so I'm getting my nutmeg ready by just grating it. Getting my Supligen ready and my guineas. And guys, you can always go ahead and use no, I'm using a Jagan, sorry. You can go ahead and use a Guinness. yeah, you can substitute the Jagan for a Guinness if you don't have a Jagan. All right, either way.
Oh.
All right, now so I'm just going to go ahead and add all of my ingredients to my blender. So first up, I'm adding my okra, and allow your okra to cool. Then I'm gonna go in with my Supligen. In with my Guinness. In with my Jagan. What happened to me and Guinness? So I love Guinness, eh? No, sir. Guys, I'm also using some walnuts. You can go ahead and use any nuts of your choice, or you can just leave out the nuts if you are not a person who likes nuts. Alright, then now I have my oats over here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my oats. In with some cinnamon powder. Then I'm gonna go ahead now and add some vanilla extra. Alrighty. I'm also going to add my nutmeg as well. Yeah. Then I'm going to cover this now and give this a good blend. That's all it needs right now. Just to cover. Alrighty. We're going to add our milk. Alrighty, adding some milk. That's about it. I'm just going to cover and give this a blend. Alright now guys, so now that our milk has mixed out, I'm just gonna go ahead now and check with this. Alright, I'm going to remove this now. I think this is ready. Well, me not think me know it ready. Alright. Alright guys, I'm just going to pour my okra punch right out into my jar. Got that? So I'm going to list the ingredients in the description box so that you can go ahead and make your okra punch. So this is a strong back okra punch, guys. Consists of my dragon supplement. I mean, everything that you see I use.
And when we stated that it's strong back, we're not just talking off and we're talking from experience. First-hand experience. Okay, guys? This is what my wife made for me. Yeah.
All the time.
And she can tell you about the performance.
Oh my lord, I can't manage you, not trust me.
All this laughing is because of me, right?
I can't manage you, trust me. Why you think you need to come and talk up in my video though? I can't manage you. Yes guys, so that's it, our strong back okra punch. Alright guys, so normally I would put this in the fridge to cool, because you really don't need any ice on these strong back drink. You just need to put it in the fridge to chill. But because Mr. Man want to drink this right away, I'm going to just, I don't know why he's in so much hurry to drink it, but I'm just going to toss a few ice cubes in it. And what I'm going to do is just spin that around just to give it a little cool. We don't want to put too much ice in it because we don't want it to melt, right? We don't want it to not melt. We don't want it to water down, because look at this, guys. Look at that. You see that consistency? That's what we're looking for, and that is what we want.
Yes, guys. I feel it. I feel it. Rich. Not like a homemade okra punch. Why, if you're looking for result later.
And this is rich in vitamins and mineral. Wow. Imagine half all of this, you know. The whole of this imagine half. And then start panda one day later. Or probably tomorrow.
Thank you. Later, guys.